Hello, this is How To Bob, and in this video I'm going to wire up an electric dryer using a 4-prong cord. So we're going to get started, go around the back of the dryer, and we're looking for a hole with an access panel around it, and in this dryer it's up towards the top. So I'm going to start off using a 1/4-inch nut driver, and I'm going to remove the access panel. Set that off to the side, and you can see inside there are 3 different connections plus a ground. So I'm going to push my 4 wires through the hole. Once I get them through the hole, I'm going to loosen up all 3 of the nuts for my wires. You'll notice that the center one is a silver one. That is where the white wire is going to go. So I'm going to go ahead and put the white wire on the center one. Once I get that tightened down, I can then put the red or the black on the either side. Now those are the hot wires, so it doesn't matter. You can reverse them. They're the hot wires. Either way you put them, it's going to work. Just whatever feels most natural with your cord. So I'm going to go ahead and put the black one over here, and I'll tighten that one down. It just fits in a whole lot better this way for me, so I'll go ahead and do that. Now once I've got all 3 of my power wires done, I'm going to go ahead and loosen up the ground wire, and that's where the green one goes right underneath this nut here, and I can push it under there and tighten it back up. Now that I have all my wiring done, I want to use this anti-pull-out device or a strain relief device. What I'm going to do is take it apart, so I'll have 2 pieces, and I'll feed one piece into the top around the cord, and then I'll feed the other piece into the bottom around the cord, so that when I put the screws in on either side, it will pinch the cord slightly on the insulation and keep anyone from pulling out the wires or any strain to be on the connection. I want to make sure that I do have this pushed in far enough. Once I get it tightened here, I'll make sure that I have it pushed in far enough. Just want to get it started, and then I can push it in a little bit, make sure that I'm on the insulation. You can see that I've got a little bit coming through the back. Now I can go ahead and tighten it down just a little bit. I don't want to crimp it too hard or cut the insulation, but I want to get a good enough grip on the insulation so that it doesn't pull out, and it seems like it's pretty tight here, so I'm good to go. Last but not least, we put the cover back on, and this is how you wire a dryer using a 4-prong outlet. This is How To Bob. Thanks for watching.